Hi everyone, I'm Krista, teacher of crystal healing classes as well as holistic healer, and I wanted to let all of you know that I will be teaching a very special live and interactive online crystal healing class featuring rose quartz crystal, and our topic is opening your heart to love with rose quartz crystal. So this is an amazing class. I really love teaching this class, so I really invite all of you to come. It's live and interactive. We get to see each other, talk to each other, and do these beautiful healing techniques together. So I want to tell you a little bit about what you will learn in this class. So rose quartz crystal is an amazing crystal that has a compassionate and loving effect. In this class, we'll learn how to work with rose quartz to boost self-esteem, to enhance relationships, to also heal from past heartache. So when you have suffered loss of any kind, loss of a loved one through death, or loss of a pet, maybe you lost your job or lost finances in an investment, maybe you've had some friendships that dissolved or love relationships that dissolved, maybe your love partner betrayed you in some way or a friend betrayed you and you just suffered that heartache. I'm going to say that heartache, I think, in my opinion, is one of the most painful things we could ever experience in life. And when we hold that pain in our heart chakras, that can limit us from opening our heart to others and letting them in, or creating heart-to-heart connections with others. Because if we have suffered loss in some way, we might be afraid to connect to others, to make new friends, or to enter into a new love relationship. We might have a fear of rejection. We might be afraid that we might lose that person. Either they will go away, or maybe we lose them because they pass away, or lose them for some other reason. If we have been betrayed in the past by someone we cared about, oh, that can be painful, because it is hard to trust again, hard to trust other people. Like, that distrust can spill out from your heart chakra, and then that can make it hard for you to trust other people in other situations. So it's very important that we cleanse this pain and suffering from our heart chakras, to cleanse that pain from our heart, so that we're holding a more joyful energy, uplifting energy, and to cultivate deep love in our heart. So love for ourselves, because we need to start with ourselves, so love there first, and then also opening our hearts to create really good heart-to-heart connections with other people, and opening our heart to let love in, and also to express that love back out to others. So very, very important. And when we transform that pain and suffering into healing, our whole life will transform. Life becomes brighter, life gets better, things flow more. So this is really a great class for that. In this class, we will clear past heartache, release emotional wounding that we have towards other people, so that we can be more loving towards other people. We will also work on a forgiveness exercise to also forgive others that have wronged us in some way that has led to heartache, so that we can move on in a good way and not getting stuck in the past or holding grudges. And also we will work on beautiful healing techniques to release negative beliefs that you might have about yourself, or love relationships that limits your ability to receive love into your life and create loving, healthy relationships with other people or yourself. So negative beliefs can diminish self-worth, and also limit and hinder your ability to open your heart to love to others and let that love in. So we will look at what could those beliefs be and how we release them, how to uncover those negative beliefs. So sometimes those negative beliefs can sit in the subconscious mind, and they can sabotage relationships, sabotage love, sabotage self-love as well. So we'll learn how to uncover those negative beliefs, bring them to light, and heal them and release them. Also, we'll learn beautiful techniques to boost self-esteem and self-love, and to boost happiness as well. And then also learn a technique how to attract healthy relationships into your life. So that can include healthy friendships, healthy love relationships, and to bring healing energy into all of your relationships with coworkers, family, friends, and loved ones. So I really invite you to come to class. This is a fun class. We will all work together and do this beautiful healing. So I want to show you some pieces of rose quartz. So for this class, you can work with lots of different types of pieces of rose quartz. If you have a rose quartz heart, that would be nice. You can work with this one in class. I love crystal hearts, and I work with this one a lot. But you don't have to have the rose quartz in a heart shape. You could have a rough piece like this, or a small tumbled stone. You could also work with a rose quartz point like this, Or if you have jewelry, a necklace, a pendant, bracelet, earrings, or a ring, I have a nice rose quartz pendant here. You could work with jewelry in this class as well. So I really invite you to come to class, hang out with us, meet friends from all around the world, and do these beautiful healing techniques together to bring more love into the world and to yourself and to others, and to nourish all of your daily activities and relationships with that bright, loving energy. So I look forward to seeing you in class. Thank you so much, and namaste.